assemble greenhouse by myself with very rare help. I have a helper, but he's doing other stuff. He's doing a gravel, so I ask him very rare to help me. Anyway, I just finished assembly. I asked him to finish up the last piece. So after you go from there all the way to get to the back, you put all your panels and everything, then you lose these bolts right here and there on each side. One side first, and you put one piece in, slide this piece back in little by little, and we got it all locked up. Do the same with another side. As you notice that I'm using a masking tape. Don't forget to take this out because it will go into residue, even this one, the green one. But I'm using this to temporarily hold the pieces in place so they don't slide out. So use the masking tape. And we will go inside and I will show you some tips inside the greenhouse. What I have. I have it from last night left on this greenhouse. I'll hold on a second. So do not forget your brackets that go up and down every time per instruction, as well as on top. They go all the way around. I didn't finish middle, but I'm going to do it right now. You just put them over here everywhere for the stiffness. And what else? Don't forget these brackets. You can put a blast. Again, I put this ridge first all the way through, and it works fine with me with those ribs on side. The same way you can do it from another way around per instruction, but I did this was a lot easier, more fun. And don't forget, this one is for automatic windows openers. Make sure you have those things on. They come with the regular greenhouse. You must have this in order to install automatic windows openers. Later on I will show you how to install that. And we're going to install right now rest of the bars, and we're going to install right now everything, and we're probably going to tie everything. See, for instance, if you go these corners, sometimes let's say you forget to put your bolt right here in the hole right there. Some of those things holes for the pieces, for those like L-shaped pieces. Hold on a second, let me show you what I'm talking about. Right here, this is the main home. And as you can see, you start from here, you go all over here, and that's the way it's supposed to be. You look at it down the line and it's perfect straight. That's the thing, it's the way it's supposed to be. Next piece is go from here to there as well. Next piece, go from middle, from the L shape, not from there. And let's go here too. So you can use either that hole or another hole. Don't worry about to put them in there. So as you can see, I put some bolts in there. I can give you tips how to put bolts in there. You can just cut the hole out on the side and put slide those pieces in if you forget to slide them. Don't push the polycarbonate or you're gonna poke the hole inside. So do as much as you can. So let's make sure it's pretty much straight. And that's it. That's the only concern. And install on all of them at the bottom, and like so. Right now it's very hot. I need to finish this really quick. I got him to help me. Don't forget these brackets that he's working on right now. You can do this last with special slide in bolts. Well, again, I'm showing you current installation of Virtue 28 footer. And I'm doing this by myself. Was estimate installation about 7 days, but I do this in 6 days. So these things right now at the hot place, you gotta cool them down a little bit before you install them. They must be cold. Oh, that's not it. This one is. So they must be cold. So either put them in a cold place like this, not in the water. You can put them in the freezer or in the shade. I put them in the water. And we'll show you a little bit later on other installation. Feel free to ask me any questions inside.